Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, I want to show you how to use your PC internet in your mobile phone. Now, this is useful if you do not want to share your Wi-Fi password, okay? So now you can share it through your laptop. Now, let me take you through this process. All right, so over to this point, I'm using Windows 11. Go to that Start button, right click on it. Go to settings, click on settings. Okay, hover your mouse to where you see network and internet, click on it. Go to mobile hotspot, click on it. Now you can go straight out to this point. You can see it's turned off, then you turn this on. Now before you turn this on, you can come over here. You see network properties. You can change the name of your network. You can change the password. Now to do that, you click edit. You change the network name, you change the password. Now take note that you're not changing your Wi-Fi network name and password. Rather, you're changing your computer's network name and password. Now, when you finish, you click save. All right. Now, this is for illustration. I'm just going to cancel this. All right. You come over here, you turn this on, then you come to this point, you go to your mobile phone, you go to the Wi-Fi section, you search for the name of your laptop network. You see that, you search for it, and then you key in the password when you find it. Or you just scan to connect. I hope this video helped you. If it did, click the like button, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in the next one.